All right, welcome back to this course. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now moving towards a very interesting feature called as Stream Real Time. Now, this is one of most amazing features in the Google AI Studio that will absolutely blow your mind. Now, there are three things that we can do under the Stream Real Time. And as we go ahead and use all of these different features and explore what are their capabilities, also have a look at the right. So when we were in create prompt, you see that we had different kind of run settings. Okay, but as we move to the stream real time, you see that there are some different kind of run settings. The get code, etc. are gone. The output format is something that we have audio and text, and we also have the model voice. Currently it's puck the by default, but we also have Sharon Core, Fenrir, Ayoth, etc. So something that you can also change. We will explore all of that. Perfectly fine. We have some another options under tools, code execution, function calling, which are similar. Then we also have automatic function response and grounding with Google search. So these all are also available for you to change. Couple of settings that went missing are the temperature, the P ratio, etc. Now we will do all of these three actions step by step, and the first we will do is talk to Gemini. So let me just click on this and start conversation with Gemini, but not via chat, but by actually talking to Gemini. Hey Gemini, how are you?
I am doing great. Thank you for asking. How are you doing today?
I am doing very well, thank you. How is the weather there?
I'm glad to hear you're doing well. I don't have access to a weather report for any specific location. Would you like to talk about something else?
Okay, it's currently raining in my area. Do you know what causes rains?
Yes, I can explain that. Rain is caused by water evaporating from the Earth's surface, forming clouds, and then falling back down as precipitation. Would you like to know more about the water cycle?
No, thank you. I'm interested to learning a bit about artificial intelligence. Can you help me with that?
Certainly, I can help you with that. What specifically about artificial intelligence are you interested in?
The basics.
Okay, I can help you with the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a broad field of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Would you like to know about specific AI approaches, like machine learning?
No, thank you. Now, can you please translate this text into English? आप क्या कर
I
रहे
can
हो?
help you with the phrase "Aap kya kar rahe ho" translates to "What are you doing" in English. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Okay, I'm speaking something in French. Can you tell me if it is correctly spoken or not? Okay.
I understand that you would like me to verify your French pronunciation. Unfortunately, I am a text based model and do not have the ability to listen to audio. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Uh, no problem. I think that is good for today. Thank you so much. We can now end the session.
Okay, I'm glad I could help. Thank you for the conversation and have a great day.
Bye bye. So now once I have done this discussion, I can simply click on this button and I can end the conversation. Now you see how interactive it was. It gave me all the answers that I was looking for. Probably not all the answers, but definitely it answered most of my questions. It was a real good conversation, and it was very quick to pick up what I was asking, and it responded with change of tone and empathy and politeness and all those things. Okay, and also once you have done the conversation, you can look back the conversation because everything is available to you. So you can simply play something. It's currently raining in my area. Do you know what causes rains?
Yes.
So you can re-evaluate whatever discussion has happened between you and Gemini by playing this button. You can turn the volume up and down, and also you have option to download the conversation as a file in your local. So this file you can simply click on download, and you will get the file as a WAV file. Okay, which is pretty interesting. All the conversation, suppose you ask it for any particular kind of description of something, some technical, and you might want to keep it for your reference, and you can download it in your local system, reuse it somehow. So this is the first session, about Talk to Gemini. You can actually do a real time conversation using your microphone, get responses, get help, uh, and it also gives you text along with voice. Now, the second thing that I'll do is show Gemini. Yeah, right. So we'll start our webcam session and we'll share what you're looking at and we'll get real time feedback. Okay. So let me begin this. Hey Gemini, how are you?
Hello there. I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How are you doing today?
I'm well, thank you. Uh, Tell me, what am I right now doing?
Okay, you're currently holding a clear bottle with a pink cap. You're about to open it. Would you like me to describe anything else?
What do you think is inside this bottle?
Based on its clear appearance, it looks like the bottle might contain water. Is that correct?
That's correct. Okay, now I am showing you a watch. Do you know what kind of watch is this?
Sure, it appears to be a smartwatch with a rectangular screen and a pink band. Is that
Oh,
correct?
that's absolutely right. Okay, tell me, what am I doing right now on screen?
Alright, it appears you're now using a comb to style your hair. Is there anything else you'd like me to observe?
Yes. Now I have a remote. What apparatus remote is this?
Okay, that looks like a remote control for an air conditioner, given the display and the Hayer logo. Is that correct?
That's absolutely right. How do you think is this air conditioner, air conditioner? Is it good? What does the market report says?
As an AI, I do not have access to real time market reports on specific air conditioner brands. My analysis is limited to what I can observe in the video you've shown me. However, I can say that Heiser is a well known brand in the appliance industry.
Okay, very well, thank you. Can you tell me what am I right now doing on screen?
Okay, you're putting on a pair of glasses right now. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes. So I have a smart card right now. Can you tell me what this smart card is of?
Certainly. It looks like a transportation smart card, possibly for a metro or train system, based on the image of a train on it. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Okay. There is also a text written on it. Can you judge from this text what is this card about?
Certainly, the card you are holding appears to be a Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited card. It mentions that damaged or tampered cards will not be refunded, and it provides contact information for customer care if needed.
Absolutely. I have another Metro card. Can you tell me which Metro card is this?
Alright, the Metro card you're holding appears to be a Knoll card. This is often used in Dubai for public transportation. Would you like to show me anything else?
So there is a QR code at the back. Can you tell me what will happen if I scan this QR code?
Scanning the QR code on the back of the card will likely take you to a website or application associated with the card where you might find more details about the card or its functions. Would you like to show me anything else today?
Uh, can you judge what appliance is right behind me?
Alright, I see a television mounted on the wall behind you. Is there anything else you would like me to look at?
What color is my walls?
The walls appear to be white. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you. I'll end the session now. So I'll click on disconnect, and you see that all the responses were very quick and, of course, very genuine and proper way of responding to something. The one thing that irritated me was, Gemini quickly asking immediately after responding to my question, is there anything else I can do? Is there anything else I can do? So probably it was in a hurry. But I mean that's a very secondary thing. What's important is what I showed a lot of things on a screen. The Metro card, the water bottle, the air conditioner remote, and Gemini was quick enough to judge what's exactly inside it. Uh, and it was absolutely spot on correct. The best part was that everything is transcripted in text, audio, and of course as a video. Let me have a look. Put text written on it. Can you judge from So you have all the transcript there, the responses from Gemini, the questions from my side, everything is available for you to recap. And I am really blown by the fact that how accurate every response was. So I will now click on start new stream. So we have covered how to talk to Gemini using this microphone option. And next is show Gemini using a webcam and get real-time feedback. The third option is absolutely mind-blowing once again, which is share your screen and show Gemini what you are working on. Now, if I will click this, this will start a session. So you want to share a entire screen, a window, or a particular Chrome tab. Now I will share my entire screen, right? And I will select this and then I will click on share. So currently I am sharing my screen. Now I will ask Gemini questions about the screen. Hi Gemini.
Okay, you're currently sharing your screen, and you will now ask Gemini questions about it.
Yes. So what do you see on screen right now?
You asked me what I see on the screen right now. I see a web page titled Stream Real Time on the Google AI Studio website, as well as a small video playing in the middle of the screen, and a video player at the bottom.
Okay. Now tell me, okay, I have this PowerPoint. What is written in this PowerPoint?
Okay, you are now showing a PowerPoint presentation, and you've asked what is written on it. The current slide has the title Prompt Engineering, and the subtitle is The Job of the Future. There is also a graphic of a person sitting at a desk with a computer, along with other colorful graphic elements.
All right, perfect. Now tell me one thing. How can I add animations so that once these elements come in, they just don't come in, but they come in with an entrance effect?
You are asking how to add animations to the elements on your slide so that they don't just appear, but instead come in with an entrance effect. To do that, you should select the Animations tab in the PowerPoint ribbon at the top. From there, you can choose the animation effect you like and click on the object to apply the animation.
Like this?
Okay, I see that you have added a split animation to the first element on your slide.
Okay.
Great, is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes. So there is a PDF that I am currently showing on screen. Can you tell me what it talks about?
Okay, you are now showing a PDF, and you want me to tell you what it's about. The title of the page is What is Explainable Artificial Intelligence? It goes on to define explainable AI, XAI, as the ability of AI systems to provide clear and understandable explanations for their actions and decisions. It also says the goal is to make the behavior of these systems understandable by explaining their decision-making processes.
Can you tell what do you know about explainable artificial intelligence?
You're asking me what I know about explainable artificial intelligence. It is a field focused on making the decision-making processes of AI systems transparent and understandable to humans. This helps build trust and allows for better evaluation and improvement of the AI systems.
Okay, thank you. Now you see that my mouse is pointed at one of the feature page view. What it does?
Okay, I see that your mouse is currently hovering over the page view icon in the PDF viewer. It appears that this feature allows you to see the document as a single page rather than in a scrolling view.
Okay, very well. I'm currently at page 5. How can I go to page number 10 directly?
You are currently on page 5 of the PDF and want to know how to go directly to page 10. To do that, you can click on the page number indicator at the top of the screen, which says 5 of 23 inches, then type 10 and press the enter key.
Okay, very well. Okay, now I'm sharing a Excel file. Can you see that?
Yes, I see that you are now sharing an Excel file with a table of data. It includes columns for order ID, product, unit price, quantity, and discount.
Okay. I now want to do a lookup where if I enter the order ID in this particular cell, I should get the discount value in this particular cell.
Okay, you're saying you want to perform a lookup where, if you enter an order ID in a certain cell, you want to get the discount value in a different cell. To do this, you can use the VLOOKUP function.
Okay, tell me how to do this.
Okay, you'd like to know how to use VLOOKUP. First, select the cell where you want to display the discount value. Then, type in equals VLOOKUP. Next, select the cell where you'll input the order ID and type a comma. Now, select the entire table of data, including the column for order ID and discount, and type another comma. Next, enter the column number in your data table that contains the discount information. Finally, enter false to ensure an exact match, then close the parentheses.
It doesn't gives me anything.
Okay, it seems that the VLOOKUP function is not returning a value and is showing #A instead. This usually means that the value you are looking for is not in the first column of the table you have specified for VLOOKUP to look in. In this case, the order ID should be in the first column of your data range.
Okay, so first, do I have to enter the order ID here?
Yes, that is correct. You need to enter the order ID in cell J1 so that the VLOOKUP function can then find the discount in the table and display it in cell J2.
It is currently showing me 12, which is the quantity column. I want the discount column. What change should I do in my lookup formula?
You are right. You need to change the column index in the VLOOKUP formula. The quantity column is the fourth column in your data table, but you want the discount column, which is the fifth. You can change the 4 to a 5 in your formula, and this will fix the issue.
Perfect. Let me test with 10250.
Okay, I see that when you enter order Idaho 10250, the discount value of 15% is returned.
But it doesn't appear so. It shows me 0. Okay, probably the session has ended. Uh, it is trying to help me, and I think in most of the cases it has given me great responses. Just in the case of Excel or the lookup, it wasn't very successful. Probably it was, but I wasn't able to convey what I wanted to achieve. But you see that in all the other cases where I was asking how to add animation to the PowerPoint, how to get data in the sorry how to read the PDF and how to do any of the setting in the PDF. And also in Excel, it was able to clearly tell me how to use the lookup. It went absolutely perfect. So this is kind of a tutorial. If you are in your Excel and if you want to understand how to achieve something, simply go over here to Gemini. Tell this is exactly what you want to do. Help me out, and Gemini and Google AI Studio will help you. So probably my number of tokens were over or something like that, but the session ended abruptly. That might happen. It was a long session, but you can have multiple small sessions and get the output that you want. And again, you can come back anytime and review what you wanted to check, right? So you can go back here and read, so you can expand it, right? I was showing Gemini what I was everything on my screen, and which is great. I can minimize it. Not just that, I can download this entire video. I can change the playback speed, and I can also use PIP, that is picture in picture. so that it runs it over here as a small window. I can simply click on download and the whole WEBM video format will be downloaded. You can simply click on this to start a new session where all the three different options are now available again to you. Talk to Gemini, where you can use the microphone, have a conversation, an audio conversation with Gemini. Second was show Gemini. You can start your webcam, show in the webcam what you're seeing, get responses from Gemini. And third is share your screen, that actually allows you to share your screen and show Gemini what you're working on, get feedback, get responses, get help and support in a way that you have never seen before. AI doing this. So amazing. Thank you so much for joining me in this lecture about stream real time. This was really, really crazy that what Google has done. And I think it's gonna be really helpful for a lot of people who want to learn new technologies or who want to learn anything like maybe Python. If you're stuck at some code, you can simply open up, share your screen, and ask for help. Right? If you are at some place you don't know what exactly it is, show your webcam, show Gemini what you're seeing, and get help. Right? Talk to Gemini about something like a proper person. It responses. Amazing, absolutely crazy stuff. Thank you so much for joining me in this lecture, and I'll talk to you in the next.